Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I want to give you an update on this PRUNUS J-08S AM/FM shortwave portable radio. I want to give you some information about some battery testing I did. Now, it comes with a rechargeable, removable battery. This is a 18650 battery. It's 1800 milliamp hours. You can get higher capacity batteries, 2.5, 3 times that capacity. That's the one it comes with. And so I did a full charge using the USB port, and then I tuned an FM station and it let it play at medium volume continuously. And the battery, I can't believe this, the battery lasted for 36 hours of continuous play. Now, these batteries will kind of heal themselves. So if you play a radio for a while and then you turn it off, these rechargeable batteries will recharge themselves a little bit, depending on the battery, of course. And so this test, I did it with continuous on, no chance to recharge. Played it until there was no audio output. So 36 hours is unbelievable. And like I say, you can get higher capacity batteries than this. Then I tested the solar charging. I don't have much positives to say about these. This one is a much larger than normal panel. Normally on these radios, the panel is up here and it's only one width of these, not two. And the testing is very, very vulnerable. I mean, variable, because it depends on the lighting. Now, what I did is I put it in a window with indirect sunlight. You don't want to use direct sunlight because it could damage over time the radio, the plastic, and everything. So it was only indirect sunlight, and it wasn't clear sunlight all day long. So I let it charge all day, and it only lasted for 2 hours on that charge. 2 hours, that was it. So it didn't get charged very much. Again, a lot of variables. That particular charge session wasn't the best. I didn't have the best indirect sunlight. So just keep that in mind. So that's kind of the update on the battery capacity and the solar charging. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you enjoyed the show, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I wish you would, and have a great day. Bye-bye.